And what about, where's your thing on your neck? You ain't a doctor unless you got the thing on your neck. Yeah. What are you gonna do now? You gotta tell me.
I'm going to get all this stuff out of your ear.
Okay, thank
Let's
you.
be careful, don't really stick it in there.
No, she won't. She don't. Thank you.
Next we're
What's
gonna
my
do
next thing? Oh, you gotta get my other side. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Good.
Yeah, you're good, girl.
I'm gonna fill this up full of water and then
You
we're
gonna take my
the ice
sliver
that
out?
I
Oh
took,
God,
okay?
I got another sliver. You wanna take my sliver out, please? Oh, that's for my tooth. That's full of tooth. Okay, pull the sliver out. Pull the sliver out. Okay, thank you.
It's also to pull a sliver out too.
Right. I forgot.